So far, we've been working in the sagittal plane, which is a front to back or anterior posterior plane. Now we're going to move into the transverse plane, which is rotating, all right? And in the gait pattern, we counter rotate. In other words, our hips rotate to one side and our shoulders rotate to the other side as we walk, all right? It's not a huge movement pattern, but it's part of it. It's subtle, but it's part of it. And we have to be able to do it because our lumbar and thoracic spines have to rotate. They have to counter rotate with each other, all right? So from this position right here, you start like this. If I drop my knees over this way, that's right rotation of my hips. There's left rotation of my hips, okay? Now I want to get a counter rotation with my shoulders going. So the way you do that is when your hips rotate to the right, this arm pushes, your left arm pushes down into the floor, and your right arm your hand reaches for the ceiling. So now we're getting a counter rotation of our shoulders. So it's back and forth like this. So now we've got our lumbar spine and our thoracic spine counter rotating. And of course, this is way more rotation than you're going to experience when you're performing the gait pattern. But we're using these exercises, movement patterns, to reinforce the gait pattern, all right? So I do the same thing with this. I get 10 repetitions on each side. All right? You want to see that from the side? All right. Give it a try, transverse plane.